Hello everyone, this is HighTech Tutorials back with another video. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to create a multi-bootable USB which will allow you to boot into multiple operating systems, all from one USB. I will be showing you the steps to perform on Linux distro OS. But it's also quite similar for Windows. I'll show you how you can download and use the tool known as Ventoy. First download Ventoy for your respective OS. Since I'm using Linux, I'll run the shell script. Open the link in the terminal.
Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you?
Install Ventoy on the USB you want to use. Once installation is complete, copy the image files into the USB partition. Now if you boot into the USB, you will see a list of all of the disk images to choose from. Choose the one you want and boot into it. That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to leave a like. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And I'll see you all in my next video.
I will get